In this single video, I'm breaking down the top 5 most profitable niches you can target to resell GoHighLevel. And I'll explain why they're perfect for fast client wins. Think of it like fishing in stocked ponds. These niches are already full of hungry buyers looking for exactly what GoHighLevel can provide. But most people waste months chasing niches that don't even want their help. Target the right niches and you're not selling software, you're selling solutions. You're solving problems they're willing to pay for. So let's get right into it. Okay, our first niche is real estate agents and brokers. Now the reason why is that they rely on fast lead response, and if they don't do that, they literally miss out on thousands. Constant communications, they got multiple deals coming in at once, so we can literally automate their follow-ups, centralize, you know how we have all in one the conversations tab, we can have it all in one. We can use missed call text back so they don't leak any leads, which obviously one lead can cost them thousands. AI chatbots. So this is definitely a good one to go after, but there are of course downsides. They may already have their own CRM, etc., stuff like that. So it depends. You gotta be good at identifying which ones to go for. It's good knowing the niches, but to outreach, I've got this new outreach strategy. If you're my affiliate watching this right now, book a call with me. I'll go through one-on-one with you. Be sure, if you want the best, most up-to-date outreach strategies, sign with HighLevel with my link. Get a 30-day free trial plus all these benefits there. My snapshots for all these niches, so you can just copy these niches into your, so you can just copy these snapshots into your account, have the websites, have everything in your account ready to go, plus a one-on-one support with me. And you can't get one-on-one support with the bigger channels because they're bigger. So because I'm a smaller channel, you can literally sit with me one-on-one, which, yeah, who doesn't want to sit with me? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. So next, dental and health clinics. I've just made a video using GoHighLevel to build an entire dental sub-account from beginning to the end, so be sure to watch that my previous video. So of course, same thing, we can schedule reduce no-shows, we can automate point reminders, manage the reviews, AI chatbots, and obviously we got the CRM, which will be very beneficial for them because many are private and they have, like, they can sell one product for thousands of pounds, so they wouldn't mind paying you 99 to 150 to 250, whatever way you want to price it. So it's a good niche because they have a lot of liquidity. But this is more like plumbers, electricians, other tradesmen, because these guys, they're not really the most technical people in terms of setting up automation, setting up CRMs, setting up calendar automations, bookings, AI booking assistants, etc. They cost a lot as well. So they want a one job for a plumber, one job for electrician will cover your monthly fee for like 3 months or something, like, you know what I mean? So they can cover your wage. So they can benefit from nearly all the features of HighLevel, so missed call text back, the CRM section, the unified messaging inbox in one place. These guys are a good place. And what's also good is that they're easy to contact. A lot of them are just private. A lot of them on Google My Business, they literally have their own mobile number there that you can contact them, DM them, use my outreach strategy, well, my new outreach strategy, and go get them. So my new outreach strategy has such a high response rate, is stupid. I've made a video here about the best ways to outreach, and it doesn't have my new one, but them ones still there are ridiculously good. So watch that video if you want to know how to outreach. Now, next one is fitness and wellness. So gym studios, trainers, they need memberships. They have like even online courses they can sell. HighLevel can do that kind of thing. So if one of their customers, for example, completes a 6-week challenge, you can unlock more classes or unlock more video training tutorials. You can automate follow-ups, automate all their gym classes, which is super cool for them. Automate bookings, of course. And these guys do benefit a lot from a one inbox for all member inquiries and messages. So these guys are another good one as well, because again, they're easy to contact. They can cover your monthly wage. And yeah, they benefit a lot from our features. This one is another one. So salons and spas, beauty clinics rely on repeat bookings and strong reputation. We can automate appointment scheduling, track client history, manage social, and obviously we can automate the Google reviews as well. One thing with this, you have to be very smart with, because a lot of these guys have Fresher. Fresher is a booking salon type app. I know my way to get around it. So if you're part of my affiliate program, you want one-on-one coaching about how to go to this niche and get around the Fresher. I've got Fresher, I've already got a booking thing. book a call with me and I'll show you exactly how to get around that. So no problem there. But be sure to go to my YouTube channel, and I've got this playlist here, number 9, how to get clients with Go High Level. And I don't have a free course. I don't have a paid course. I'm not going to rub your email, anything like that. I don't know, to me it just seems like a bit scammy, like get my email, get this free course, and I try to get you under my affiliate program, blah, blah. I don't really care. The number of videos I have here are more videos than you're getting any single free course on the planet for Go High Level, or any single paid course. I promise you, I've seen them all. I've got more value here for free, and you don't have to sign up for anything. Just go on my playlist, start from 1, go there, and if you want my one-on-one support, you can get 30-day free trial and carry on from there. So it's honestly a no-brainer. It costs the same either way. So, and yeah, thanks for 900 subs. Appreciate it. I've got a question for anyone that's made it to the end. If you have any specific videos that you want me to make, put it in the comments. I promise you I'll make that video on it. Anything that you think no one else is talking about, no one else is doing, no one else is showing, put in the comments and I'll make a video on that specifically. So if you comment something, I'm gonna make a video. I'll shout you out in the video. I'll put your comment on screen. It's not much of a flex because I'm not even a big channel, but it's cool. Trust me. Yeah, please like the video. Helps me out. And yeah, that's a quick one, but it's useful.